Are you throwing money away every time you visit a detailer? Because 99% of car owners are, and nobody is telling them the truth. Today I'm giving you 20 car cleaning hacks that cost almost nothing and could save you thousands. Mechanics don't want you seeing this. Stay till the end. Hack number 1 alone could save you hundreds this winter. Backhand index pointing right, new here? Hit subscribe right now. These money-saving videos drop every week. Hack 20 old gift card as a sticker scraper. People reach for razor blades to remove bumper stickers. Disaster on paint. Metal tools create microfractures in glass that develop into cracks over time. An expired gift card is rigid enough to get under the sticker but soft enough to never scratch glass or clear coat. Works slowly at a low angle, peels off in large sections. Cost zero. Combine with the mayonnaise method for leftover residue. Repeat button. This next one makes your tires look brand new without ruining your paint. Hack 19, foam paintbrush for tire dressing. You apply tire shine and drive away. Within a mile, brown streaks all over your wheel arch. That's excess product being thrown off the spinning tire. Use a foam paintbrush, 50 cents. Apply a thin even coat to the sidewall only. The foam distributes exactly what the rubber can absorb. No excess, nothing to sling, and no dressing on the tread, reducing your braking grip. Repeat button. This next one cleans spots that have never been touched in your car's entire life. Hack 18, dental floss for seat stitching. There's gray-brown grime running along every stitch line of your seats and every door panel seam. It's been building for years and nothing reaches it. Run waxed dental floss along every stitch line like a saw, short back and forth strokes. You'll be disturbed by what comes out. Wipe down with a damp cloth after. $1 pack. That built-up grime also breaks down stitching thread over time. This is actual maintenance. The top 3 are the ones the industry really doesn't want you finding. Hack 17, glycerin for anti-fog windows. Your windows fog every morning. You wipe them, 10 minutes later, fogged again. Shaving cream lasts a few days, then it's back. Mix 1 part glycerin with 10 parts water in a spray bottle. Apply to inside windows and buff dry with a microfiber cloth. Moisture spreads into an invisible film instead of fog-causing droplets. Lasts 3 to 4 weeks. Those $15 anti-fog sprays? Glycerin is their main ingredient. You're just paying for the bottle. Hit that like button and subscribe. We drop videos like this every single week. This next one, finds something you thought was gone forever. Hack 16, nylon stocking on your vacuum. You drop an earring or small screw on the carpet and search for 20 minutes. Nothing. Stretch a nylon stocking over the end of your vacuum hose and secure it with a rubber band. The suction still works, but the mesh catches the item against the hose. Turn it off. There it is. Costs nothing. Also works for vacuuming broken glass safely. This next one pulls out hair your vacuum has never been able to grab. Hack 15, rubber squeegee for pet hair. Pet hair embeds itself at an angle suction simply can't reach. Lint rollers only skim the surface. Press a rubber window squeegee firmly into the seat fabric and pull toward you in short, quick strokes. The friction rolls embedded hair into thick clumps you can pick up by hand. More hair in 2 minutes than 20 minutes with a vacuum. $5 squeegee versus $75 at the detailer. We're halfway through and it keeps getting better. If you haven't subscribed yet, do it right now. We post hacks like these every single week. Hack 14, activated charcoal for car odors. Air fresheners, baking soda, fabric spray. The smell keeps coming back because these products mask the odor, they don't remove it. Activated charcoal pouches physically trap odor molecules instead of covering them. Place 1 under each front seat and 1 in the trunk. Each pouch lasts 2 years and recharges with 1 hour in direct sunlight. $10 for a pack. Also absorbs moisture that causes mildew. Top 10 get serious. This next one restores something you thought needed a professional. Hack 13, black tea bags for chrome trim. Your chrome handles and trim have lost their shine. Professional polishing costs $80 or more per section. Brew black tea bags, let the liquid cool, then rub the wet bags onto chrome in circular motions. Tannic acid in the tea dissolves the oxidation layer and restores the shine underneath. You'll see it returning in real time. $3 box of tea. Also leaves a protective coating that slows future oxidation. And this next one fits in your glove box and stops a $200 repair before it starts. Hit that like button and subscribe. We drop videos like this every single week. Hack 12, lip balm as emergency rust blocker. You get a stone chip on your hood. Exposed metal starts rusting within days. Touch-up paint costs $25 to $50 and never matches perfectly. Dab clear lip balm directly onto the exposed metal. The wax creates an immediate waterproof seal blocking moisture. Buys you weeks while you plan a proper repair. $1. A chip the size of a pencil point becomes a rust spot the size of a coin within 2 to 3 weeks. Once rust spreads under the clear coat, repairs start at $200. This next one costs $1.50 and prevents 10 years of door damage. Hack 11. Dryer sheets for dashboard dust. Your dashboard gets dusty. You wipe it. 3 days later, covered again. Static electricity is pulling dust out of the air onto your plastic surfaces. Wipe a dryer sheet across your dashboard, door panels, and console. It leaves an anti-static coating that stops dust from sticking. Your dash stays clean 3-4x longer. A box costs $3. A professional interior detail costs $75. The next one fixes a stain you've been trying to remove for months. Hack 10. Cornstarch for grease stains. You drop food on your fabric seat. You rub it, it spreads deeper. Most people grab a spray cleaner and end up with a faded circle that never fully disappears. Pour cornstarch directly on the stain. Don't rub. Wait 15 minutes, it draws the oil out of the fabric before it sets. Brush away, wipe with a damp cloth. Done. $1 box versus $40 at a detail shop. This next one works on stains carpet spray has never touched. Hack 9. Club soda for carpet stains. Coffee, juice, soda, they dry and leave a ring that nothing removes. You've scrubbed until your arm hurts. Still there. Pour club soda directly on the stain. The carbonation physically lifts the particles up from the fibers. Blot firmly straight down with a clean cloth. Don't rub. Repeat until the stain transfers. Under $1 a can. Professional extraction costs $150. Repeat button. This next one handles something that's been bugging you since you bought the car. Hack 8. Mayonnaise for sticker residue. You peel off a parking sticker. A sticky gray patch stays behind, catching every piece of lint in the air. Glass cleaner and rubbing alcohol don't touch it. Spread regular mayonnaise on the residue. Leave it 5 minutes. The natural oils break down the adhesive bond. Wipe away, wash with soapy water, completely clean. $3 jar versus $20 specialty remover. Works on glass, paint, plastic, and chrome. This next one uses a $2 pharmacy item to fix what pros charge $100 for. Hack 7. Pool noodle on your garage wall. Your door taps the garage wall. A ding appears on the edge. You try to be more careful. Eventually it happens again. Mount a foam pool noodle horizontally on the wall at door edge height. Door swings open, hit soft foam, 0 damage every time. One noodle covers both doors for the full length of your space. $1.50 at a dollar store. Repeat button. This next one silences something driving you crazy every single morning. Hack 6. Talcum powder for squeaky leather. Every time you shift your weight, creak, squeak, groan. It's just leather rubbing against itself at the seams. Apply talcum powder along all seam lines and between the seat base and plastic housing. It acts as a dry lubricant, eliminates friction without making anything greasy. The squeak disappears completely. $2 versus $50 to $150 at a shop. Repeat button. You already have the tool for this next one in your wallet right now. Hack 5. Chalk for garage floor oil stains. Your garage floor has dark oil stains. Cleaner, spread it. Pressure washing drives it deeper. Crush white chalk into powder and pour it over the fresh stain. It absorbs the oil by capillary action. Leave it 4 hours, sweep it away, the stain is gone. Not lightened. Gone. $1 box. Never pressure wash a fresh oil spill. Chalk first always. Repeat button. This next one is what detailers actually use, and they've never told you. Hit that like button and subscribe. We drop videos like this every single week. Hack 4. Hydrogen peroxide for organic stains. Blood, coffee, vomit, soap and water do almost nothing once these dry. Most people scrub and make it worse. Apply 3% hydrogen peroxide directly to the stain. It foams immediately, that's it breaking apart the organic compounds. Wait 2 minutes, blot with a cloth, rinse with cold water. $2 at any pharmacy. It also kills the bacteria causing that sour smell that keeps coming back. Repeat button. This next one is already sitting in your bathroom right now. Hack 3. Hairspray for ink on leather. A pen leaks and marks your leather seat. Specialty leather cleaner is $25. Professional restoration starts at $75. Spray a small amount of hairspray onto a clean cloth, not directly on the leather. Dab the ink mark working from the outside inward. The alcohol dissolves the ink. Wipe clean with a damp cloth immediately after. $3 can. Handles dozens of stains. This next one stops something that costs people hundreds every winter. Hack 2. Rubber gloves for embedded pet hair. You've vacuumed 4 times. The hair is still there. You're about to pay $75 for a professional pet hair removal service. Put on rubber dishwashing gloves and rub across seats and carpet in short, quick strokes. The friction and static grabs embedded hair and rolls it into clumps you pick up by hand. $5 gloves. This is exactly what detailers use when your car arrives. They just don't tell you. And now, the number 1 hack. The one that saves you every single winter. Hack 1, cooking spray to prevent frozen doors. It's a freezing morning. Door handle frozen solid. Lock sealed shut. You're already late. Locksmith costs $50 to $100. This is 100% preventable in 60 seconds the night before. The night before a cold forecast, spray cooking spray on both door handles, all lock cylinders, mirror housings and rubber door seals. The oil film prevents water from bonding to the surface as temperatures drop. Next morning, frost slides straight off. Door opens first try. $2 can. All winter long. There you go, 20 hacks, almost zero cost, and not one of them on your dealer's maintenance list. Hit that like button and subscribe. We drop videos like this every single week. Now I want to hear from you. Drop a comment right now. Backhand index pointing down, which hack shocked you the most? And which one are you trying today? I read every single comment. Let's see what everyone says.